like snap though?
Yeah.
What the hell was that?
Engine.
Let's hope not. Alright, so with the JB4, we got the tuner. Hopefully it's... Anyways, we got the tuner, comes with a harness. The harness part for the OBD2. And then it was an option, but I went ahead and got the dongle to use with the phone. Now BMS, I'm gonna call you out because that app is way too damn high. After we paid over $500 for this whole thing, I kind of feel like y'all should at least toss it to us. But it's okay. It's okay. I digress. I'm just comparing. That's fire though. Anyway, so to put this in, to install the dongle, you actually have to take part of the tuner apart. So I'm about to unscrew the back of it and throw this in and see what works. Just going in raw, no instructions, no nothing. I just saw a picture of it yesterday and I was like, oh, okay, that's how it works. You just spent the last, what, hour?
6 days.
Working on the front end of the Jeep, trying to get the toe end done and the steering wheel straight. Jesus, I don't think this is gonna work. This one's too tight.
It's not the right one. We can make it work.
What?
It's not the right one. We'll probably make it work.
Yeah, if it does the damn thing, then that's all that matters. With the T handle.
I don't know why I said it was hard.
Let me just drink my water. Okay, cool.
It's a nice billet.
Right, check that out. I didn't even talk about that. It's made out of billet, which is actually pretty nice. So, comes with 2 screws in this little pack. And then this COM port, sort of like a computer. Alright, we're in there. Screw this bad boy together and we're donezo. Yeah, don't let me say that again.
It's already out there.
Bro, why were you doing this? Let's talk about the fact that we were supposed to have a whole weekend planned and ain't nobody show up.
Yeah, there was. Everyone made these great plans to come driving and flying across the country so we could do work on their cars because they keep sending all their products to my house where I have to store them and I don't have space anymore.
Yeah.
I'm not going to mention anybody by name, but Henry and Chad. Alright. Torque spec.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you go over these with that T handle because these suckers were super tight to begin with. I'm assuming we should probably put them back that way. Think it's cool down out there?
No, we'll find out.
I mean, technically we got 2 shields to pull off and we gotta plug in 3 things. The hardest part is probably gonna be running this through that firewall.
Just gotta spit on it.
Yeah, okay. This is supposed to work with a taser that I have installed on the Jeep. If it doesn't, I'll be a little upset because my Jeep's gonna ride really stupid on the way back if I don't have that taser. But we're gonna figure that out. Alright, break. Good old JB4 for the Yeep. Thank you. You know, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, why y'all charging $30 for an app that I ain't even buy yet because it's $30? Damn it. OBD2. This is the Bluetooth harness and the tuner. Got some stickers and a little lanyard. All right, there we
Hopefully that wasn't a captured screw that I just ripped out.
What?
Hopefully that wasn't a captured screw that I just ripped out. Oh, these are also torch bits. Yeah, they smell fun.
There we go.
Look at that.
All right.
It's like a turbo, but smaller.
There's one here and one here. They're both Torx. Actually, no, they're the same thing. And while you're doing that, I'm about to pull up these instructions.
Because here at Skunkwerks, we read the instructions.
Sometimes. Alright, instructions.
Uh-oh. This is connected on something.
Alright, two 10 mils, two 10 mils.
Or does it need to come out?
I don't think so. I think we can get what we need without taking it all the way out. There's a 3-pin map sensor right here.
That looks right.
Yep. You was right.
What?
You was right.
What? Now what?
Push that tab down. That's how you undo it. It's just being a bitch to get off. See if you can pull on it. Yes! Oh god. You got the tuner thing, don't you?
It is sitting in a safe spot
Somewhere.
somewhere.
Alright, so
Looks like a 3-pin.
is there more than one 3-pin?
Nope.
Nope. Okay, cool. Alright, so we're going to plug in the JB4 one. Alright, push that in, and then connect the JB4 harness to the factory one. There we go, it's in there, and connected. Coolio. Alright, now there's another one. Disconnect T-map sensor. I can't even see down there. I bet. Woo! Nice. All right. Wait a minute. Did we just leave this one dangling? What the hell? Oh, okay. There we go. All right, that one's in there. Locking tab in, and connect this one to the factory.
Other way. What?
You was right. All right. In there. And then this we are supposed to route around and mount it right here. but we also need to run this little dongle here through that other piece that I have and put it through the firewall.
Is that just the Bluetooth?
Yeah.
It's gonna go there.
This heat shield back in here. Yeah, I get it. Right here. Please tell me you got a magnet. It's still up here.
How far up there?
It's like right here.
He dropped it. Oh. It's cool. We'll recover it. We will self-recover.
You got zip ties, right?
Yeah, I got it.
All right.
Drift stitches.
There we go. Last one. That's probably not a good idea. All right. Here's our Bluetooth dongle. We're all hooked up. First drive with the kiddos in the back. We got it on map tune 2. Did you hear that like snap though?
Yeah.
What the hell was that? Let's hope not.
Friend to the gear maybe catching?
I don't know.
It's an auto.
Yeah. Freaking nice.